Hey, it's Felicia Unique Sweets, your virtual cake coach, and I am guiding you through all things cake. Continuing my elevated box cake series, episode 3, elevating a spice mix into a sweet potato cake. Typically, I would bake 2 sweet potatoes, but I only had 1, so that's what I baked, and I used that. I measured out 1 cup and then set it aside. After I had everything measured out, I realized that 1 cup was too much, so I went with 3/4 cups of sweet potato. Four eggs, which is typically what we do when we're using a box cake mix. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And 1/2 cup of buttermilk. In the prior videos, I added the cake mix first and then all the other ingredients, but in this case, I added the sweet potato, the eggs, and everything else first so that I can have that well incorporated before adding the mix. So after that is mixed, and there will be little chunks of sweet potato, that's okay. But after that's mixed, you add your 1 bag of spice cake mix, and you're going to also add to that 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of melted butter. And once that is mixed well, I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This batter is thicker because I replaced the oil with melted butter, and I reduced the buttermilk by 1/2 cup. Instead of a full, I used a half. And then divide your batter evenly in the pans that you are using. And because I had leftover batter after I put them in the pans, I made some mini cupcakes. After baking, those and the cakes will go in the fridge for at least a day. In the next video, spiced cream cheese icing. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.